welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Humbie, and today we are going to be doing the Beauty Box Spring, and this is from Walmart. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. When you open it up, this is how it looks. So it always comes with a little pamphlet, and it does talk about the items in here. So, ooh, we have the Kiss Gel. This is the Fantasy Press-On Nails. These are pretty nice. Does it tell me the price of this? $7.97. I'm pretty sure this pretty much pays for the whole box. So those are really pretty. I like that. It's a very neutral color. We also have the sample of a perfume from Sheer. It's 80s Culture. I actually did not know she did have a perfume. Let's see if we can test that. It smells good. It kind of reminds me of something. Like from, literally it says the 80s. It does remind me of something from like the late 80s. I don't know what it is. But it does smell good. We also have one of these Body Fantasies. I used to use these all the time when I was younger. This one is the cherry, the Japanese Cherry Blossom. I used to love these. They used to have like, I think it was an aqua one, and I used to use that all the time, like something rainwater. We also have a CeraVe. This is a hydrating cream to foam cleanser. Also from Mark Anthony Repair Bond. Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for all hair type. It reinforces hair from the inside out, hydrates and defrizzes and softens. And then we have from Neutrogena. This is a Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. And then it looks like the final thing we have here, which I'm pretty sure we've gotten this before. It's from CoverGirl. And this is a Clean Fresh Skincare Color Correcting Serum and Primer. Oh, wow. No, we have not gotten this. I think we've gotten like one of these, but this looks like everything comes in here, like the whole collection. So I'm super excited to try these items out. Guys, let me know what you guys got in your box. Let me know if you got the same thing or not. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't so already, please don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that like button. It truly means the world to me. Thank you and have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.